Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I am glad that you are here. Well guys, this is my Erin Condren Life Planner horizontal layout. And I am excited to go ahead and set up for my week of January the 6th through the 12th. And I decided to go ahead and use some stickers that I got late last year, 2019. And that is from the Oso Paper Company. And so I'm going to be pulling stickers from my Zoe sticker book. This was a part of a Zoe box. I forgot what the box was called, forgive me, but there was like a box with all items for Zoe, which is this character here, and this sticker book was included in that. And so I'm pulling stickers from here, as well as I'm going to use these 3 sticker sheets from Oso Paper Company that features some of her mini Eastas. And I believe I did a haul on all of these products here. And so, yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that because I have not been using my stickers. And again, I just don't want to hold on my stickers. I want to actually use them and make everything pretty. So I am going to be using this washi tape from Simply Gilded. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me get close in. But it is basically bunnies. And the snow is falling. So it's bunny snowmen. And so I love it. I thought it would be cute. I didn't do a haul on that yet. But I will have one coming up with the things that I purchased from Simply Gilded. I think this was through Cyber Week. I am so behind on my haul videos, so I'll get caught up soon. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I went ahead and I pulled out some of the stickers that I would like to utilize for this spread, and I felt like I wanted to keep it a little bit more simple. So I'm just going to try it out and see what I think about this layout and how I would like to proceed forward. So I got an idea of what I want to use for this layout and the Simply Gilded, the placement of my Simply Gilded washi tape. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down the washi tape first. I'll be right back. All right, so now I have my washi tape down and I think it's cute. I decided to alternate some of the lines so that it's just not washi tape heavy. But the way that I have my stickers, it will also lend to a little bit, I think, of balance as well. At least I hope so. Or maybe not so much balance, but I just didn't want everything to be washi tape. So I'm going to go ahead and put down my first sticker here. And I decided to put this sticker like right on that border line. And then I'm going to place my Zoe sticker more so over here. And I'm using this Zoe with the groceries because I know I have to make for sure I get to the store no later than Tuesday. And my church is preparing for a fast. And so seeing those vegetables there will help me to remember that. And then we're going to put her over here. Okay. And then I got Zoe reading a book. Whoops. Zoe's reading a book there. That's one of my goals is to, so this is just not just with the fasting thing, that's what was on my mind, but it also reminds me to do proper meal planning too. So I like that. And then reading, of course, is a part of my 2020 goals that I have. Let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and put Zoe up here. And I figure Friday is my day of probably come home, relax, or go hang out, whatever. And so I got some music on there. You know what? No. I'm going to leave it as is. I'm trying to decide if I want to put this here or there. Let's put it there. I love the sticker. It says, I am so freaking cold. She cute though. Okay, and then Zoe has her book in her hand. That could be so many things. Bible or prepping for the week with the planners. And then down here in this notes section, I decided not to cover up this little monthly thing. I'm going to see if I like keeping it here, because one thing I was thinking about for last week is that it's good to have this calendar here so I don't have to reflect back to my monthly calendar. But while I'm writing out what my agenda is for this week, I'm able to actually look at this and plan out accordingly. Or if I know that something is coming up and I need to coordinate dates, I have this calendar right here. I don't have to flip back and forth. So I'm like, Larrissa, don't cover that up. At least for not right now. I think I want to put down some stickers here. I always love when she has her stickers where they show a cluster of the mini Isas together. It's so cute. But I wanted to keep them a little bit small so that if I have any notes to write, let's see. If I have any notes to write, I have ample space to do so. This over. I like this one. So we'll put her here. So now I can put like my little notes right there. So I like it. I think that's cute. Yeah, I like that. I think it's very, very cute. I'm excited. Woo-hoo. Trying to see. I can go ahead and add in some additional items here. I'm still learning how I want to set this up, but this is from the Sticker But Tiny, and they're just like little miniature icon stickers that are really good for symbolizing different things that need to take place. And so I'll put this down because, as a reminder, Get Your Goal On is on Sundays as well as church. Oh, I start school on the 6th, so I will put some pins right here to symbolize that. Back to school, back to school. Oh, water. I'm going to use one of my other planners that I actually carry with me to track my water intake. And yeah, that's all I want to do for now. So this is my basic layout for my week of January the 6th through the 12th for January 2020, the first full week of 2020. I like it. It's fun. It's cute. It's adorable. And I used my stickers. Woo woo. Yay. Okay. That's all I have. So thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification button, and go ahead and tell me what are some of your favorite ways to decorate your planner for this year. Do you have favorite sticker books? Do you have a favorite layout that you like? Are you using an Erin Condren Life Planner? Are you using horizontal, vertical, hourly? Let me know. Chat it up. Thank you for joining me, and until the next time, bye.